Today we are replacing the battery on this Alienware M17R1. According to the Windows battery health report, the design capacity is really bad on this computer. You can check this video up here and see how you can get a battery health report under Windows. To put the back cover back in there. And we are done. We are going to see if there's any difference between the battery health report under Windows for the old battery and the new battery. Here are both reports, and as you can see, there's a huge difference. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you like what you saw, make sure you click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.